Hello, my name is Yana. Welcome to Psychic Trial Canada's ultimate guide to finding the best psychics in Summerside, Prince Edward Island, Canada. Whether you're seeking clarity, guidance, or a glimpse into your future, Summerside offers a variety of talented psychics ready to assist you. Our custom map showcases the top psychic readers to visit in the area. This interactive tool highlights the best psychics, complete with their contact information and reviews. Whether you're looking for a tarot reading, a palm reading, or an astrology consultation, our map will guide you to the most reputable practitioners. You can view the map by clicking the link in the video description below. As well, you can visit our website page that covers everything you need to know about visiting Summerside psychic readers. And by the way, if you want to try a free, online psychic reading, right now you can visit psychictrial.ca, where all new customers get a free psychic reading with no strings attached. But act quickly, because this free trial reading promotion may not last long. See you soon.